Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy here back with another video and bad news. My phone cracked. I don't know why. I'm destructive, and you can tell it cracked by the camera, like all right here and right here. My mom said she just put tape on it, and by the way, I'm using my 5 camera and no, my 8 camera, which is my daily phone. And this is my main camera that I record, and then I transfer this to here. And something happened. I was filming right there on my TV, and I have a little tripod. I don't know where it went, and it went. Psh. I'm like, no. And dang it. You can't see that. Oh, here's the clip. Hey guys, wanna know why this video is so blurry? I'll show you why. I take off my screen protector. I cracked my iPhone. It didn't work. We're gonna transfer this phone all blurry. To that phone. So, bye guys. And there's glass stuck to the screen protector, and you can tell I do have a screen protector, and I just cross your fingers. I do not break it, and damn it. It's not cracked. Look, it's not cracked, guys. It just cleaned it. That's surprising. I cracked my 6, and let me see. Hold on. Hold on, guys. I'm back. Look, this is a hack to do this, and it's just a prank, guys. You could put tape on your phone. If you have a screen protector, like we're grown, like kids, do not take your screen protector off. You're gonna get your parents mad at you. Number 5 is not cracked. like that. Hold on, I'll be right back. And you're gonna get this. And if you have a case on it, take it out. The iPhone 6, and this is a 5. And I want you to go check out my friend's channel. I forgot. And with this, you do not want to take off the tape. You just want to, like that. You don't want to leave any tape behind. Look at that. Clean. The back is still dirty, but you can still got all the grossness out of here. Let me put this on here. And once I start ordering all of these iPhones, I'm going to actually tell my mom to order me the iPhone SE. I'm like so pumped right now. Slick. I need to get my screen placement on here. And same way. You don't want to leave any tape behind. If you left some on the edge, take it off. Like that. Didn't really quite clean it, but it really clean. Now it's time for the 5. Okay, that's the sticky side. I know why my mom is watching Jeepers Creepers. Where'd you get those peepers? Jeepers Creepers. Where'd you get those eyes? Same thing. I'm gonna get another key. And you want to do too hard and then you scratch your screen. And this is wrong. You don't want to do this. No, that's wrong. You could get something like rubber. That doesn't damage it. And with your home button, you will want to be careful because some home buttons will come out. Look, say your brother and sister got it all dirty, your phone, right? Trying to get all dirty. See, like that. You take it off and it's not there no more. We're gonna do the back side. No. Like getting like screen protectors. There we go. I'm gonna do it on my phone. I'll be a little bit slow. And a little bit. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.